struggling with stuffy rooms and stale air? Discover the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters. Air cleaning that not only cool your space, but also purify the air you breathe. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best in comfort and air quality. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these game-changing appliances for your home. The number 5 product on our list is BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU. Did you know that a portable AC can be both a cooling powerhouse and a stylish addition to your modern interior? The BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU portable air conditioner exemplifies this, blending efficient cooling with a sleek design. Its compact dimensions, 15.3x, x14, x24.8, and minimalist aesthetic make it a perfect fit for contemporary spaces. Beyond its looks, it offers 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, making it versatile for various needs. The unit effectively cools rooms up to 350 square feet, ideal for bedrooms or small living areas. Users appreciate its rapid cooling capabilities and user-friendly features like the remote control and LED display. However, some have noted that the exhaust hose can become hot, potentially affecting efficiency, and the noise level might be noticeable in quieter environments. If you're seeking a unit that doesn't compromise on aesthetics or functionality, the BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is a compelling choice. 18. Number 4 is Whynter Arc 14S. Looking for a portable air conditioner that combines power, efficiency, and sleek design? The Whynter Arc 14S stands out as a top contender in the realm of modern portable ACs. With a robust 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, it effortlessly cools spaces up to 500 square feet, making it ideal for larger rooms or open-concept areas. Its dual hose system enhances efficiency by expelling hot air and drawing in fresh air simultaneously, ensuring rapid cooling. Beyond cooling, it features a built-in dehumidifier with a 71-pint daily capacity, effectively reducing moisture and improving indoor air quality. The activated carbon filter and washable pre-filter further contribute to cleaner air by trapping dust and odors. Despite its impressive performance, the Arc 14S design is somewhat bulky, and its noise level, while quieter than many competitors, may be noticeable in quiet environments. Overall, the Whynter Arc 14S offers a blend of functionality and style, making it a worthy addition to any modern interior seeking efficient cooling solutions. The third one on our list is Dreo AC 515S. Imagine a scorching summer day where your sleek modern living room remains a cool sanctuary, thanks to the Dreo AC 515S. This 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner not only delivers powerful cooling for spaces up to 450 square feet, but does so with a whisper-quiet operation at just 46 dB, making it perfect for bedrooms and offices. Its minimalist design complements contemporary interiors, earning it a spot among the top 5 best-looking portable ACs for modern homes. The 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, offers versatile comfort, while smart controls, via the Dreo app, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home, put customization at your fingertips. Installation is hassle-free, with universal window kits fitting openings from 17 to 53. Users appreciate its drainage-free design under 85% humidity, reducing maintenance efforts. However, some note its 63-pound weight may challenge portability. If you seek a stylish, efficient, and smart cooling solution, the Dreo AC 505 and 15S stands out as a top contender in modern portable air conditioners. On number 2 is SereneLife 10,000 BTU. Ever wondered if a portable AC could blend seamlessly into your modern interior while delivering powerful cooling? The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner does just that. With its sleek, compact design and rolling wheels, it's a stylish addition to any room, offering both aesthetics and functionality. This 3-in-1 unit cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air, effectively covering spaces up to 300 square feet. Its user-friendly digital control panel and remote make adjustments effortless, while the built-in dehumidifier removes up to 1.5 liters of moisture per hour, enhancing comfort. However, some users have noted that the unit can be a bit noisy, operating at around 57 dPa, which might be noticeable in quieter settings. Additionally, there have been reports of a fishy odor developing over time, potentially due to mold or bacteria buildup, indicating a need for regular maintenance. Despite these concerns, for those seeking a portable, efficient, and stylish cooling solution, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner remains a compelling choice. Now moving to the last one is SereneLife SLPAC 180W. Did you know that a compact air conditioner can transform your space into a cool haven without compromising on style? The SereneLife SLPAC 180W, with its sleek, matte white finish and minimalist design, seamlessly blends into modern interiors, earning its place among the top 5 best-looking portable ACs for contemporary homes. Beyond aesthetics, this unit delivers efficient cooling with its 8,000 BTU capacity, suitable for rooms up to 300 square feet. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, ensures year-round comfort. The inclusion of rolling wheels and a user-friendly remote control enhances its portability and convenience. Compared to bulkier models, the SLPAC 180W offers a more streamlined solution without sacrificing performance. While it may produce a noise level of 54 dBA, which is noticeable in quieter settings, its energy efficiency and ease of installation make it a smart choice for those seeking both form and function. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and versatile cooling solution, the SereneLife SLPAC 180W is worth considering. Looking for the perfect blend of style and performance in a portable AC? In our roundup of the top 5 best-looking portable air conditioners for modern interiors, one unit stands out: the Whynter Arc 14S. With a powerful 14,000 BTU capacity and a noise level of just 51 dB, it ensures comfort without disruption. Though it's on the heavier side, its performance and aesthetics make it a top choice for those prioritizing both form and function. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best-looking portable ACs for modern interiors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.